Okay, before we start with the scanning of module, in this lecture we will see that what are the utilities and sections available in Tosca Commander. So let's understand the tool and what are the overview of the tool. So in this you can see there are some test case folder, some folders are available like the test case, module, requirement. So here you can maintain your test cases. Here you can scan your modules and put it under it. This is the structure of folder would be the application under test wise. Here you can create your requirements. Here you can create your test case design. Then you can create your execution list, and if you have a test event you can configure the distributed environment here also. Then if I'll give you the example that how you are going to do it, how we are doing it in a practical way. So here you can see there, this is a project. This is how you just create your folder structure of your application under test, and here you can create and save your module. Like this module is for a main screen, this is for the login, this is for the register. So like that we will go and we'll create the things in Tosca. Like the same we have the structure in test case also, the requirement also, in test case design, and others also. And in the home you can see this is the project you can select from here. This is to run your test case in a scratchbook. If you are not running it in an exact environment, in an exact way, this is to run your test case in a local. So the scratchbook is not the proper way of execution. It's just running it for your own purpose, to check whether your created test cases will be able to run in execution or not. So this is a section where you can find the imported subsets. You can go and select it. Here if you are having the shared repository, then this option would be available to you, the team option. In the subset you can import and export your subsets, and in the record there is exploratory, manual, and the automated test case recording options are available. Then in the view option you can specifically see your folder sections from here also. In the tool you can view your buffers, you can see the executors, and in the test cases you can see the structures, how to create it, the test cases, and the test cases how to run it bar, and the libraries that you have created for your test cases are available in the test case section. Then the API testing, this is the completely new thing. We'll see later on that how you go and create the API test cases, and how you can scan the APIs in Tosca. Okay. So we are now going to understand the overview of the different sections of Tosca Commander. So if you see this left position, this is the navigation hierarchy of the folder and components, and this central position, this is the detail of each selected folders. This is the detail of each selected folders, the component, and the test configuration if you have added any. And in the right position you can see the properties of the each folder and the component. You can see the property of each folders and component over here. So this project section is for it provide the hierarchy and the view of your different folders and the components available inside your workspace. And this module is it's a application under test object maps are stored over here. And in the test case, the technical component of any test cases, the test case design, the test data which are required to execute any specific test case can be kept in this test case design section. And then the execution is there, where you run your test cases in an execution environment. And you can also trigger the execution and analyze the execution logs to investigate that what are the issues you have while running the test cases. Requirement, you can create the requirement and you can put it under the requirement section. And the issues, if you issues means This section it is used to maintain the track of any execution issues or bugs. Basically, defect management can be done through this option. Reporting is also there, and the reporting, different kind of standard and custom reports are stored here, such as the functionality coverage, execution status, requirement, and the bug status. These all could be there in this reporting section. If I'll open the reporting bar, you can see that over here. And the test planning, this will have the plan and the track of all the testing activities as we work in Tricentis Tosca. So this is what we have from the overview of the Tosca commander. So I'll see you in the next lecture with the scanning of the module and creation of the modules.